the forest ground to create a healthy forest. So I think we should add another R, which is replant. Instead of always taking away from the forest, we should give back. And also folks, coming right up on the left side of the stage, we have the world's largest rodents all the way from the Amazon rainforest. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together and welcome Po, Peanut, and Jelly, our capybara brothers. They are named the master of grasses because of their two long, sharp teeth, which helps them to graze on water plants and grass. And check out these slightly webbed feet. Helps them to move easily on land, swim in water, and also climb on
River Safari,
Look at their eyes,
Singapore.
their ears, and their nose. It's nicely located at the top of their head. Helps them to
Wednesday,
look around their
October 21, 2020. Lots of green. A very nice afternoon spent at the River Safari, Singapore, watching the red panda, the black and white panda, and the fishes. It was much interesting and educational.